Community riots have taken over the IT capital in the past 3 days. Buildings are being hurled, vehicles are being set on fire, and gunshots are being fired. All this being created because of one big journalist and his fake news. 109 people have lost their lives in half a week. Police have taken control over small parts of the city but seem to be helpless in the bigger parts. People have lost their lives, they have become homeless. 109 people have lost their lives in half a week.
Oi! Oi!
The mastermind behind this is none other than a journalist and a chief editor. The police had the city on control before he set it on fire. Yes, this is the journalist Mr. Ravi Verma. He spread fake news on his news hour. The Limsum community men molested the Udim community women. Yet another fake news that the Limsum community stored guns and bombs which triggered this community riots.
Ashwin? Age 25. Reason for death, shot in the chest. Walk in.
Hey! What's happening here? Can you please tell me what's going on? I'm talking to you. Why aren't you answering? I'm talking to you, goddammit. What the fuck? Where are you going? Can you guys talk to me?
Murugan.
Can you tell me what's going on?
Age 22.
Can you please tell me what's happening?
Reason for
Tell me,
death.
yeah. Why the fuck do you guys look away? Can you tell me what is going on, you guys? What the fuck? Can you please tell me what is going on? How the hell did you guys sneak into my house? Huh? Who are you guys?
Verma.
That's me. Yeah, tell me. What's happening?
Verma. Age 32.
Yeah, so?
Journalist.
How do you know?
Reason for death, blunt force trauma to the head.
Reason for what?
Walk in. Verma, walk in. Walk in now, Verma. Verma, walk in. Walk in now.
Open the door! Open the fucking door! I can't die! Open the door! You're messing with the wrong person here! Open the goddamn door! I'm alright and alive!
Verma, it is an end, Verma.
Who the fuck are you? How did you get in here? You heard that, didn't you? You wait. Open the goddamn door! Open the door! It can't end here. Open. My daughter, she's out there. Please open the door. He doesn't get it, does he?
Nobody and nothing is immortal. Everybody and everything has to perish. You accept it or not. It is an end, Varma.
Get your dead piece of shit ass and put it on that chair. Sit down, you piece of fucking shit. My daughter. Please, she's out there. She needs me. Stop wasting our time. I've already told you repeatedly, you're not gonna go back.
Unacceptable ends mark the new start towards suffering's one. And uncertainty always gives a bad start to a new journey.
But he's already well, it doesn't matter. He's coming with me. And it is an end. Ends that are too early are not acceptable. And ends without reason. Without reason? Haven't you heard the reasons? You killed them all. It wasn't. Shut the fuck up. If it wasn't for him, you'd be seeing the reasons right now.
Reasons are always what and not why. What you have done is the reason for where you are now.
Please give me one last chance, please. Stop being a pain in the ass, corpse. But my daughter, she's out there and she needs me. Do you want to consider taking her along? I would love that. Okay. I accept it. I can't go back and change things. I killed them. All of them. So many widows, orphans, more unmarked grave than marked. Children crying, people burning, and loud cries. I don't deserve to live, but... Now he makes sense. I guess we're done here and I get to take him along. I haven't finished. Quiet, corpse! But my daughter's out there! I said quiet! I can't leave her alone! Shut the fuck up!
Varma, you will choose.
Choose what? Don't tell me we're letting him choose.
Reason. Reason for the path to a new journey.
And it's sufferings only.
Sufferings are a part of both the paths. Coming out of it or living with it. Being their destination.
You can't do this all the time.
Everybody controls the future. And the choices they make become the reason. What you do, what you say, know them all. You wouldn't have whys later. What always being the answer for why.
Fine. One final game before I take you. Make your choice, corpse. It was like an environment before a blast. Sure, I had a choice.
Hello?
Families or orphans, I had a choice.
Anu? Anu, what happened here?
Stay alive or to survive, I had a choice. You made the final game so boring, corpse.
Hello? Who the fuck are you? Where's my daughter? Hey,
Kill or to let live.
hey, you'll fucking regret this.
Fights or harmony. Self-respect or love. Dead bodies or happy families.
What?
I had a choice.
What are you saying? Shut up. I can't do that.
And I chose my daughter.
Hey.
Yes, my 6-year-old love. That's who I chose.
Fuck.
Everybody had a choice. I chose reporting false news while they chose to kill. I chose love while they chose hatred in the name of self-respect. They chose their love and I chose mine. Life gives everyone a chance to choose, and humans always choose their priorities. Even if it is over 100 dead bodies, just like I did. And if this choice takes me to sufferings, then so be it. Choices are only warts of wise in the future. They can never be right or wrong. They chose theirs, and I chose mine. I chose to save one life over 100, while they chose to kill hundreds in the name of something that doesn't even exist. Yes, I killed them all. And I did it only because I wanted to save my daughter. Her and only her. And this is the what that will answer the why for my path in the new journey. This is my choice now. I accept it. Take me where I don't have to find answers for why anymore.
Daddy?